Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we will do question answers of class 4 English chapter 9 Ramu and the mangoes. So let's start the question answers. Choose the correct option. Dash got an idea. Who got an idea? Option A, the rich man. B, Ramu and his master. C, Ramu and D, the friend. Who got an idea? Ramu. So, this is the correct one. The mangoes were A, bitter, B, tasteless, C, sour or D, sweet. The mangoes were sweet. So, it is correct. Oh my goodness shows. What reaction does this sentence shows? Surprise, B, fear, C, anger and D, worry. It's A, surprise. Now, answer the following questions. What was the name of the servant? And the answer is, the name of the servant was Ramu. Who brought the mangoes? Who brought the mangoes? The master brought the mangoes or the rich man brought the mangoes. Where did the rich man live? Answer is, the rich man lived in a small town of Rajasthan. What idea came to Ramu's mind? Answer is, the idea came to Ramu's mind that the knife was blunt. He could not cut the mangoes with it. What did he say to his master? That knife is blunt. I could not cut mangoes with it. So, that was his idea. Why did the friend run away? Why did master's friend run away? Answer is, after seeing a large knife in master of the house hands, his friend ran away to save his ears. How many mangoes did the master bring in the end? Answer is, the master brought 2 more large and juicy mangoes in the end. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Ramu was the rich man's friend. True or false? Ramu was servant. So, it is false. The rich man's friend sharpened the knife. No, master sharpened the knife. So, it is also false. The friend was frightened. Yes. So, it is true. The rich man brought 2 juicy mangoes. True or false? True. So, we will write T here. Ramu was very clever. Yes, he was very clever. So, it is also true. Who said these words to whom? Some words are given and we have to write who said these words to whom. Make 2 cups of coffee too. Who said it? Master said it to master or rich man. To whom? To Ramu. The knife is blunt. Who said it? Ramu. To whom? To master or rich man. Ramu said it to master, to his master. I put on his chappals by mistake. Who said it? Master's friend. And to whom he said it? To Ramu. Stop, stop. Who said it? Master. To whom? To his friend. He wants to cut off your ears. Who said it? Ramu. To master's friend. Keep one of them if you like, but let me have the other one. Who said it? Master said it. To whom? To his friend. Now complete the following sentences. He put one more, and this is blank here. We have to complete it. Now we will complete it by writing piece into his mouth and then one more. You have to check the textbook and it is written there. You need help of book and then fill it. Ramu felt a little frightened. The friend crept up to an open window and saw the master of the house sharpening a big knife. I never knew how greedy this man was and a thief too. The master looked up and saw his friend running away at top speed. Now match the words in column A with their opposites in column B. We have to match the opposites. Sharp, opposite of sharp is blunt. So, we will match it. Sour, opposite of sour is sweet. Gave, opposite of gave, took. Friend, enemy. Fight, opposite of fight is peace. Small, big. Always, opposite of always is never. Full, opposite of full is empty. In this way, we will do this question. Now, choose the word from the box and fill in the blanks in each sentence. Sharpen, quietly, mistake, catch, top speed and terror. I put on my friend's chappal by mistake. So, we will write here mistake. He dashed the knife. He sharpened the knife. The thief entered the house quietly. Seeing the police, the man ran away at top speed. She screamed in terror. He ran so fast that no one could dash him, catch him. Now match the words in column A with their similar meanings in column B. Afraid, similar meaning. These are synonyms. Synonym of afraid is frightened. Afraid means frightened. Disappeared. Disappeared means vanished. Answered, replied. Cried loudly means shouted. Surprise means wonder. Ran fast, rushed. Got it? Write one word for the group of words. The first letter of the word is given. Now we have to write one word. The parts of the body with which one hears, and that is start from E, ear. So we will write ear, E-A-R, ear. An instrument to cut a thing, it is knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. An act of quarreling with someone starts with F, it's fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight. A man employed to work for a master starts with letter S, it's servant. S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant. The room in a house for cooking food, it's kitchen. A sweet juicy fruit, it's mango. Now study the following sentences. You had better reach school in time. I had better to do my homework regularly. Had better, it is a advice. In the above sentences, the words had better have been used to give advice or suggestion. It is similar to should. We can write the above two sentences using should. You should reach school in time. I should do my homework regularly. So, in suggestion or advice, we can use had better or should. Now, rewrite the following sentences using had better. You oblique work hard, and we will write it. You had better work hard. She oblique drink milk. We will write she had better drink milk. He oblique eat vegetables. He had better eat vegetables. I oblique play games. We will write I had better play games. They oblique go for a walk. They had better go for a walk. Understand it? Now, rewrite the following sentences using should in place of had better. Now, we will remove had better and write should in place of that. They had better get up early. So, we will remove had better. They should get up early. She had better learn her lessons. We will write she should learn her lessons. We had better take part in games. We should take part in games. Ram had better help the poor. Ram should help the poor. Understand it? Now study the following sentences. Rani wrote a letter yesterday. This is an affirmative sentence. Rani did not write a letter yesterday. We have used not here, so it is a negative sentence. Did Rani write a letter yesterday? This is an interrogative sentence. Work in group and rewrite the sentences as directed against it. Sita ate rice in the morning. This is an affirmative sentence. Now, we will write its negative sentence. So, we will write Sita did not eat rice in the morning. So, it has become negative sentence. Now, interrogative sentence. Did Sita eat rice in the morning? And question mark. Now, it has become interrogative sentence. We have used did and question mark here. They played games yesterday evening. This is an affirmative sentence. Now, we will make it negative. They did not play games yesterday evening. yesterday, yesterday evening, and full stop. Now, interrogative sentence. Did they play games yesterday evening? And question mark. You drank milk in the morning today. This is an affirmative sentence. Now, we will make negative. You did not drink milk in the morning today. Now, interrogative. Did you drink milk in the morning today? And question mark. My friend helped me. This is affirmative. Now, negative. My friend did not help me. Now, negative. Did my friend help me? And question mark. Now, the maid servant did not cook food. Negative sentence is given. We have to write affirmative and interrogative sentence. Affirmative will be the maid servant cooked food. And interrogative will be did the maid servant cook food, and question mark. Now write 5 sentences in group of 3 students about the activities you do in your home every day. You may use these words. So, we will use these words. Now, how we will do it? Get up at 6 a.m., brush teeth, take breakfast, bath, wear uniform, arrange school bag, go to school on foot and with friends. 3 friends are there, Raj, Riya and Neeraj. You can do it with your 3 friends. Then first friend Raj will say, I get up early in the morning at 6 a.m. Then Riya, then I go to brush my teeth. Then Neeraj, I take breakfast after brushing the teeth. Then Raj, I take bath before breakfast. Then Riya, after breakfast and bath, I wear uniform for the school. Then Neeraj, then I arrange my school bag. Then Raj, I go to school on foot, and you? Then Riya said, I go to school by bicycle with my friends. In this way you can do this. Now work in groups of 5 each and complete story by writing correct forms of verbs given in paragraph. We have to write correct form of verb. Once there, be की second form was. Once there was a rich man. He has, had. He had a servant. His name was Ramu. The servant was clever. Once the master brings, second form brought. 2 mangoes. The mangoes were. It's plural, so we will use were. Sweet and juicy. The servant ate all the mangoes. He told, tell say told his master that the mangoes were rotten. The master believed him and brought 2 more mangoes. The servant cut the mangoes into pieces. Both of them enjoyed eating them. So, that was question answer of your lesson number 9. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.